Hello, everyone. I'm Ada from Infinity Fun and Travel. I've got travel offers from my travel partners that I can't advertise. Some are reserved offers and amenities only for IFAC clients. But there are offers I can share. So here I go. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to encourage me. I am a busy girl. Now, here are today's offers. Let's get right into it. And don't forget, infinityfunandtravel.com offers updated daily. First up, Viking, a 4-day sail with free international airfare, a free stateroom upgrade, and a free Silver Spirits beverage package on 6 featured Europe and U.S. river voyages. The 15-day Grand European Tour starts at just $3,999. But hurry, this one ends today. Princess Cruises is running their Weekend Waves Alaska sale. Extra instant savings up to $100, stacking with up to 40% off, $99 deposits, and free third and fourth guests. Book by July 13th. That's tomorrow. MSC Cruises has a flash sale. Cruises from just $49 per night to the Caribbean, the Bahamas, and Alaska. Perfect for a quick weekend getaway. Sale ends July 13th, so call today. Royal Caribbean. Save up to $1,100 on select September sailings. Celebrate a birthday, anniversary, or milestone at sea and pair it with their 60% off second guest July sale. Book by July 13th. Celebrity Cruises has a weekend flash sale. An extra $100 off per stateroom on select Caribbean sailings, stacking with their 250th celebration savings. That includes the 4-night Key West and Bahamas on Celebrity Reflection. Ends July 13th. Princess is also holding their big 2027 cruises sale. Strong savings, low deposits, and free guest offers across Europe, Alaska, and the tropics. It's the perfect window to lock in your 2027 Mediterranean or British Isles cruise. Ends July 14th. For the adventurers, Quark Expeditions. Save up to $10,679 per booking on select Antarctic and Arctic expeditions, Svalbard, Patagonia, Greenland, even Antarctica by helicopter. Book by July 14th. AmaWaterways anniversary offer, up to $2,500 in cruise savings per stateroom, plus a $250 onboard credit and reduced deposit on select river cruises. Book by July 14th. Regent 7 Seas, sail into savings with up to 40% off select all-inclusive voyages worldwide, plus a free pre- or post-cruise land program on select exotic voyages. Book by July 15th. Vacation Express has up to $150 instant savings at the Palace Company. That's LeBlanc Spa Resorts for adults-only luxury, or Moon Palace Resorts in Mexico. Effortless all-inclusive with Luxus Spa and dining. Ends July 15th. Swan Hellenic has a Europe Flash offer, reduced balcony fares for 2 and no solo supplement in Ocean View staterooms on late summer Atlantic Europe voyages. Lisbon to Fuerteventura from $2,700 per person. Book by July 17th. Holland America's Travel by Sea sale. Free prepaid crew appreciation, 50% reduced deposits, free kids fares, and the have-it-all package on select Caribbean sailings. Plus, their 2027 and 28 Caribbean season is now open. Book by July 23rd. The Goodbye. Summer sale at Vacation Express just got better. 7 nights all-inclusive in Punta Cana from $1,099 per person with non-stop air. That's up to 69% off, plus resort credits. Book by July 24th. Celebrity's 250th celebration sale. 75% off your second guest, up to $700 in savings, and free third, fourth, and fifth guests on select sailings through May of 2028. Alaska, Caribbean, and Europe. Ends July 27th. Explora Journeys. Ultra luxury at sea with up to 25% savings, plus up to $3,500 in Explora credit on select journeys. Reserve by July 28th to get both. Dreaming of Ireland or Scotland? Brendan Vacations Every Season Sale saves you up to $500 per person on guided tours, small groups, self-drive, rail, and private driver journeys. Book by July 31st. And finally, G Adventures save up to 20% on small group tours worldwide, Japan, the Galápagos, Australia, and more, plus up to 35% off Antarctica departures. Book by July 31st. Classic Vacations is celebrating Signature's 70th anniversary with exclusive limited-time savings on Hawaii, Italy, Mexico, and more. Book by July 31st for travel through mid-December. Virgin Voyages, a free balcony upgrade, plus 70% off your second sailor on Caribbean, Alaska, Mexico, and Europe voyages. Adults only, award-winning ships. Those balconies won't last. Book by July 31st. Explora Journeys July exclusive, up to $800 in Journey Experience credit per suite on eligible 2026 journeys booked this month. And Explora donates $50 per booking to charity, ends July 31st. Crystal Cruises, Caribbean included air, up to $2,000 per suite toward flights, or up to $3,000 air credit, plus exceptional savings of up to 30% aboard Crystal Symphony. Book by July 31st. Star Clippers' Easy 8 group promotion, 8% savings plus onboard credit, and a complimentary berth from the 8th guest on tall ship sailings in the Mediterranean, Caribbean, Costa Rica, and the Panama Canal. Perfect for milestone groups, ends July 31st. Natural Habitat Adventures, a bonus $75 gear credit per person on the Galápagos expedition. That's up to $250 in gear credits per couple. Small group, naturalist-led wildlife travel. Book by July 31st. Delta Vacations. SkyMiles members save up to $150 on Mexico and Caribbean packages for winter travel. Lock in your warm weather escape by July 31st. Viking Spirit of Independence sale has been extended. Up to free international airfare, $250 shipboard credit per person, a free Silver Spirits beverage package, and just a $25 deposit on select river, ocean, and expedition voyages. Ask for offer code A250, ends July 31st. Iberostar, up to 45% off, plus resort credits and exclusive perks at beachfront all-inclusive resorts in Mexico and the Caribbean. Book by July 31st for travel through October. Royal Caribbean's July sale, 60% off your second guest, free third and fourth guest, and kids 12 and under sale free. Runs through August 3rd. Frontiers North Adventures, 10% off select Churchill, Manitoba expeditions. Kayak alongside friendly beluga whales or watch polar bears roam the tundra. Book by August 15th. Vacation Express's Mexico Resort Spotlight. Up to 65% off Park Royal hotels. Up to 25% off Hotel Mausai and Garza Blanca in Puerto Vallarta. Plus 3 nights all-inclusive Riviera Maya from $829 per person with round-trip air. Book by August 20th. Cunard Set Sail and Save, up to 20% voyage savings, hotel charges included in grill suites, plus up to $500 off flights on select Mediterranean and Europe voyages. Book by August 26th. Aurora Expeditions save up to 30% plus air credit up to $3,500 per person on select 2027 Arctic expeditions, the Northwest Passage, Iceland, Greenland, and Polar Bear Svalbard. Book and deposit by September 30th. Princess Cruises 2028 early booking bonus, up to $500 instant savings, up to $500 onboard credit, and just $100 deposits, plus a free location upgrade. Book by October 12th. Swan Hellenic's Asia Unlocked, a free balcony and Wi-Fi upgrade on all 2027 Asia-Pacific expedition voyages, from the vibrant streets of Japan to the untouched islands of the South Pacific, on luxury small ships. Book by November 9th. Windstar Cruises, reserve by November 17th for a complimentary all-inclusive package and $300 reduced deposits on 2026 and 27 voyages, plus their weekly 7 for 7 sale on hand-picked voyages. A Captain's Club perk from Celebrity and MGM Rewards, up to 10% off room rates in Las Vegas, plus up to $100 in food and beverage credit per stay, a handy land add-on for stays through November. The Ritz-Carlton Yacht Collection, $300 shipboard credit per suite on most sailings. Legendary Ritz-Carlton service at sea, aboard intimate luxury yachts with spacious suites. Black Friday in July starts now at Sandals and Beaches resorts. Limited time special pricing across the Caribbean. Couples only luxury at Sandals or family all-inclusive at Beaches. Call me for current deals and dates. Seabourn's exploration awaits. Savings of up to $2,000 plus a reduced 15% deposit on select Caribbean, Antarctica, Japan, and Southeast Asia voyages. Limited time. MSC Cruises, up to 30% off, plus up to $500 onboard credit, and kids sail free on select Caribbean, Bahamas, and Mediterranean sailings. Traveling solo? Explora Journeys has 0 solo supplement on select journeys, your own private suite at no single surcharge, including Caribbean and Mediterranean itineraries, ideal for the independent luxury traveler. Aurora Expeditions companion offer. Book a select 2027 European expedition cruise, and your second guest sails free, limited time. Norwegian Cruise Line's semi-annual sale, their biggest sale event of the season, with savings across 2026 and 2027 sailings worldwide. Call for current fares and included extras. CIE Tours, book early and save up to $600 per person on 2027 Spain and Portugal guided tours, historic cities, coastal scenery, and celebrated local cuisine. Viking's Quiet Season Mediterranean, free airfare, a free Silver Spirits beverage package, plus $500 shipboard credit on select Quiet Season Mediterranean and Europe voyages. Swan Hellenic's Solo Traveler offer, up to 50% off, plus $300 onboard credit and a Wi-Fi upgrade at solo rates on select expedition voyages, Arctic, Iceland, and Greenland, naturally social small ships, ideal for the independent explorer. Holland America, a free cruise tour dining package on 2027 Alaska cruise tours booked with the Have It All early booking bonus. Up to $829 value per person in prepaid meals on land. Seabourn, up to 15% savings on last-minute soon-to-sail voyages, an intimate, all-suite way to explore with personalized service and remarkable access at sea. Scenic, 2-for-1 fares plus additional limited-time savings on all-inclusive luxury river cruises and Discovery Yacht voyages, butler service, included excursions and all veranda suites. AmaWaterways' signature, AmaMax, up to 8 daily shore excursions, daily sip and sail gatherings, and more, all included on select Europe river cruises, personal, immersive, and unforgettable. Australis' Patagonia Summer Blowout, save $700 per cabin on sailings through Patagonia and the Chilean fjords, glaciers, Cape Horn, and the Strait of Magellan aboard an intimate expedition ship. Atlas Ocean Voyages. Reservations are now open for Atlas Adventurer, their newest luxury expedition yacht. On 2028 and 29 Asia and Africa journeys, air credit up to $9,000 per suite, plus up to 20% bonus savings. American Cruise Lines, free airfare plus savings up to $1,600 on select November and December Southeast departures, the Florida Gulf Coast, the Keys and Charleston to Amelia Island, Dolphins, Key West, even a seaplane to the Dry Tortugas, all on the newest small ship fleet in the country. CIE Tours, save up to $1,200 per couple on fully guided 2027 tours of Ireland, Britain, and Europe, plus 15% off select top-selling 2026 departures. Perfect for the traveler who wants everything handled. Disney destinations. A late summer 2-day, 2-park ticket from $199 plus tax. Valid at Epcot and Disney's Animal Kingdom. A great Disney Vacation Club add-on. National Geographic Lindblad. Early access is now open to newly unveiled 20, 28, and 29 voyages for past guests, with early booking savings and first choice of cabins on bucket list expedition itineraries. And finally, TTC Tour Brands. Up to 15% off last-minute departures across Trafalgar, Insight, and more award-winning guided tour brands. Perfect if your dates are flexible and you want a premium escorted experience this season. Have a wonderful day, and God bless. See you tomorrow. Please be sure to hit infinityfunandtravel.com, paying close attention to all the pages available in the menu. And please like and subscribe to help IFAT grow. I love helping travelers enjoy their travels. Remember, it's time to play. You never get this time back. Warm regards, Ada.